The Chase Freedom Flex Card is a rewards credit card that offers cashback on various purchases, providing cardholders with flexibility and versatility in earning rewards. To use the Chase Freedom Flex Card effectively, it is essential to understand how it works and how to maximize its benefits. First, the Chase Freedom Flex Card offers 5% cashback on up to $1,500 in combined purchases in bonus categories each quarter, such as gas stations, grocery stores, or home improvement stores. It also offers 3% cashback on dining, including takeout and delivery, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. To get started, cardholders need to activate the bonus categories each quarter by logging into their Chase account, online or through the Chase mobile app. This can be done by selecting the Activate Now button on the Chase Freedom Flex dashboard, and it only takes a few seconds to complete. In addition to the cashback rewards, the Chase Freedom Flex Card also offers a $200 bonus after spending $500 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. This bonus can be redeemed for cashback, gift cards, or travel. To maximize the rewards, cardholders should use the Chase Freedom Flex Card for all their daily purchases, especially in the bonus categories. They should also consider using the card for dining purchases to earn 3% cash back. Another key benefit of the Chase Freedom Flex Card is its introductory 0% APR on purchases for the first 15 months, which can provide cardholders with flexibility and savings on interest charges. After the introductory period, a variable APR applies. To make the most of the Chase Freedom Flex Card, cardholders should pay their balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and late fees. They should also monitor their account activity regularly to ensure they are earning the maximum rewards and staying within their spending limits. In summary, the Chase Freedom Flex Card is a valuable rewards credit card that offers cashback on various purchases, a sign-up bonus, and an introductory 0% APR. By understanding how the card works and using it effectively, cardholders can maximize their rewards and enjoy the benefits of this flexible and versatile credit card.